As the maidens have already responded to His Majesty's Uyezwana by assembling in their numbers at the Lutsitsini royal residence, the Imbali overseer Hlangabeza Mdluli asked for respect at all times amongst the maidens, where they are expected to respect their elders and everyone at all times. Mdluli says previously they did not encounter any problems or difficulties with the maiden as they were at their best behavior. He asked for the same level of respect and behavior even this year.
Eminyakeni sisebenzisene kahle netintombi emabutho etintombi ngawo lacishe amakhulu kunawo onke lamanye emabutho nekwekuthi lisasasa ke lalomkhosi wemhlanga vele selicishe lihlonishwa mhlaba wonke ngoba tivakashi tichamuka ngabala ngacedze Netherlands, Brazil, wonke lo mhlaba kakhulukati nje ngetengashiya nekwekuthi nebase Zambia bashito ukuthi batawuthumela emabutho latawungenela lo mkhosi. Kungaba kuyala nje ke etintombini tisesuka letitala ukuthi kangwane kunene kukambambeni imiyekeleni leli libusa ngenhlonipho kulicinisa ukuthi sicelile kuboba betikhulu nebantu benkosi lababuke imimango ukuthi bakhiphe emajaha kunene laphelele ngobubabe lokuciza lelibutho nekwekuthi ke ngingasho lokuthi le emuva kuboba betikhulu sishito lokuthi babowenda lokuthi bende noma liphepha nje babhalise letintombi bato nakule ngathi ngesingisimane nominal role kwekuthi kude umntwana lo tawuphondla bese sivathi sowukuphi akasekho lapha ebuthweni.
As the throngs of maidens have already started arriving at the Lutsitsini royal residence to register for the reed dance ceremony, the Imbali overseer pleads with chiefs and parents not to dispatch young maidens, especially those that still needs to be looked after. The Imbali overseer says His Majesty the King said the Imbali should be taken care of while they are at the Lutsitsini royal residence. That is the reason there are those marquees behind me in order for them to have a comfortable stay at the royal residence. He says His Majesty said they should ensure that the maidens always have hot water every day. For Swazi TV News, I am Kiani Msibi with Mbongwa Dube at the Lutsitsini royal residence.